Hi everyone, welcome back to the Frugal Watchbox channel. Today, there will be no new watch unboxing. Instead, I will provide a step-by-step guide on how to change the battery of your beloved Casio A171WE. I purchased this watch in October 2021, but I suspect it was old stock, as the battery died quickly. A CR2016 battery typically lasts about 10 years with normal use. I may have been unlucky to get one with a dying battery. All the buttons are non-functional as the battery is completely dead. Here is the case back with scratches and signs of wear and tear over the years. The replacement battery I bought is a Renata CR2016, which cost me about $1.50. I hope it's an original Renata battery, even though it's made in China. Let's begin the battery replacement process. First, we need to remove the 4 screws that attach the case back to the case. This process is straightforward, but I apologize for the video quality. Some blurring is evident. After unscrewing all 4 screws, you can see the case back partly open due to the spring inside, pushing it away from the case. Use a pair of tweezers to remove the case back. Now, let's remove the movement from the case. I have to remove this tape to see the battery casing more clearly, but it's not necessary to remove the tape in order to change the battery. The battery casing is secured to the movement through several notches or clips that you need to pry out. A pair of tweezers works well for this task. The old battery is a Panasonic, made in Indonesia. Let's remove the dead battery. It's a bit tricky, as it seems to be attached with some adhesive. Tweezers can help with this. Off camera, I discovered a small double-sided adhesive securing the battery to the compartment. Now, let's open the Renata CR2016 battery. Ideally, I should use a small piece of double-sided tape to secure the battery, but I don't have any on hand. I'll align the battery properly and attach the casing over it. Ensure the casing aligns correctly with the movement, using the 2 gaps as shown in the video. All parts of the casing should align properly with the movement. I use a small screwdriver to make sure all contacting parts are secure. There we go, it seems we finally have power. Let's clean the display to remove fingerprints and dust. Do this gently to avoid scratching the screen. Next, clean the inner side of the crystal. Align the top part of the movement with the top part of the case. Took me a few tries to get it right. The trick is to insert the left side, the edge with the buttons, first, then gently push in, making sure the buttons are not in the way. I used a small screwdriver to push the buttons so the movement can fit properly. Once everything is aligned, check the buttons to ensure they function correctly. It seems all the buttons are working well. Now, clean the rubber seal and the inner side of the case back. Insert the seal correctly and screw the case back in place. Finally, check for any abnormalities on the case back and recheck the button functions. Everything seems to be working normally. Now, set the time, month, date, day, and alarm is shown by this iconic A158W. All done. The watch is working perfectly and ready to hit the road again. Let's clean the glass and put this 37.7mm retro watch on my 6.5-inch wrist. Not bad at all. Perfect match. That's the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next one. If you found the video useful, please subscribe and hit that like button. Bye for now.